Ooh, we got a viewer. Where's our model student, dude? Where's Sor? He's late to class. Oh, that's okay. I have a way. I want to try an attendance checking thing here. Try typing exclamation point present. I'm curious what happens. No. Present. Well, maybe I should make it here, honestly. Where would I do that? It's somewhere in Nightbot, right? Yeah, there we go. Get me right now, he says. Get me, come get me. Did you get is your internet back? Have you been able to or are you still living on the hotspot life? Oh no. Well, hop in the Discord, dude. What's wrong? What's wrong, dude? Let's talk about it while we wait for our students to show up to class. Hello? Hello?
I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can.
I'm on my car speaker.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, nice,
It's
dude.
probably just delayed.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. So I got all the parts put together,
Yeah.
and it was still the same issue. Only this time I could plug my CPU in, and I shorted it or whatever.
Uh huh.
And then yeah, when I put the fan spun for a little bit, and then that was it.
Yeah, this reminds me of the time
Surprising.
I had my PC doing this, and then I realized that a bunch of thermal paste had gotten like in between the pins in the socket.
Yeah, but the socket is totally clean. So I'm thinking it's just a bunk CPU, but
And
it's
and you used a
surprisingly
different
like not
motherboard,
a
right?
brand new.
Right? You're
Used a
using a new.
different motherboard.
Yeah,
Only this time yeah, only this time I was able to plug in the CPU and still start it, but it just like whirred up a little bit. The fan, CPU fan, PSU fan spun up a little bit, and then that was it.
oh, interesting. What CPU are you trying to run? Like a Penti, like a Celeron or something?
The Pentium. So what I'm gonna do is just fucking return both of them. The Micro Center had a 10th gen
In a
i3.
quarter mile, turn left onto the ramp.
Just gonna get that and get like a new motherboard at 15. Buy it with the CPU and a motherboard, $20 off. So it comes out to.
I see. You're still just paying the tax. Yo, what's up, Sword dude? How's our model student doing today, dude?
Good. I'm close to getting the blue V. The it's basically blue dot for the times 3 uptake.
Oh wow. Is that
In 1,000
is that a
lanes,
dude? It's too funny, Bomby
on
Boy.
P90.
Your your car
Wait, what is he
navigation is
doing?
just he's driving to Micro Center to get a new processor, cause his
Wait, I think you ordered it from online.
yeah, he's good. All right, Sword dude, what's up? What's up, man?
Yep. What were you talking about, Leah?
We were talking about Deanne's been having some problems with his the computer he's trying to build. He's trying to get
Did you say DN or DM?
DN. Yeah, DM
Okay.
is DM2, I guess, right? Yeah, no DN. So Bomby Boy. All right, there we go. Bomby Boy is
Question. DM2 is having problems with
no
his
Bomby
PC?
Boy. No Bomby Boy is having
Oh.
problems building another PC because he
Mm.
thinks the processor is bad. So he's gonna go back to Micro Center to try and get it fixed. or he's gonna try and get a new processor and see if that
Thank
fixes
you.
his issue.
So what are we doing today?
Well, let's see. What do you do you have anything you've been working on in class this week?
Not really.
No, you guys don't do anything in class. What do you guys do in school, man?
I mean, we did, but that was like a couple of days ago that we finished over it.
Did you understand all of it?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you have any examples of like what you were doing? I can always see like what
Not
the
really.
next thing. You know what do you mean? Not really. You have
I
homework
just do
somewhere,
it.
dude. Yes, you do.
Well, I don't know. I only had like one class today. That was just homeroom.
What about you? Just had homeroom this today? That's all you did? Was you just went to
Mhm.
homeroom? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah.
All right. Well, we can think of stuff to do.
Bro,
Where's-
dinner was so good.
Dinner was so good.
Yeah.
What'd you have for dinner?
Clams and some corn.
Clams
food.
and corn, dude. Ooh, I like clams. Clams are good. Seafood's
We
good.
don't. The only thing I can't eat is just shrimp. That's what you go.
Yeah, the shrimp's no good.
No, I can't eat that. Can't.
Why not?
Allergic.
Oh, you're allergic to it.
I mean,
Oh,
I
yeah.
used to eat it, and then I ate it one time, and then
And what you got?
um,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. Let's see.
What we doing?
Let's
What about animal thing?
No, we don't worry. We'll have stuff. Hey, Sora, try something. I wanna test like an attendance thing. If you can you
Question mark?
can you see the stream on Twitch, Sora?
Yeah, it's just delayed. That's what you go.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, you don't have to like watch that.
Yeah.
You can stand in here. teach Sora how to handle puberty. Wow, dude. What?
It what?
Try typing in the chat. Try typing exclamation point present.
Which
is-
chat? Twitch?
In the
or
Twitch
just-
chat. In the Twitch chat, yeah, because that's what I think we're gonna do to have people who are watching the stream like mark whether they were here or not. So then I can have it automatically give you guys points for showing up.
And again, forget
Well, here you can also try. So if I say like, all right, we're taking attendance. What do you usually say when people take attendance?
I
yeah,
did it.
there you go, dude. Here. Okay, cool, man. Good, awesome. All right, attendance works.
I just be saying this.
What would you say?
Wait, I spelled it wrong.
Cupcake. Dude, what are you saying cupcake for?
I keep spelling it wrong. Damn it. Cupcake. There we go. Or I just wouldn't say or I just say present or something.
Yeah, present. Present works too. I have present and here both working. I gotta set up the webhooks for it to make it like fully work. But
Can we get custom presents?
custom presents, maybe, dude.
Mine would be shush.
Sheesh. Here, Sort. Here's a question, dude. Name like one thing you've done in math this week or last week. What's something you've done?
I have to check.
Well, you should be able to remember. Yeah. See,
Not really. I'd be forgetting.
well,
stuff.
yeah. See, we got to work on you remembering things, Sora, though, dude. You need to remember what you've been doing in class, right? You can't be like, oh, I forget. It's like, no, dude. You got to remember it.
No.
I like
You said
that.
no like that. What's that in the background?
That's the soundboard.
Uh,
I have a pretty fun soundboard.
how much
set
does
up.
a soundboard even cost?
It doesn't really cost anything. You just got to set it up. I might do a tutorial on how to set up a soundboard if you want to do one for your stream. They're pretty cool.
I'm not sure if I'd be able to.
Nah, you could do it. You can do it, man.
Console, man.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, you're on a console. Yeah, it'd be a little bit trickier with a console.
Okay. In class, we learn writing is. I just sent a screenshot.
Writing what?
I just sent a screenshot.
Okay. You can put it in office hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, just throw it in office hours. Here, I'll...
Here's what we're learning. We're learning in math right now.
I wonder why I can't, like... Let me move this all to...
Ew, just in office hours.
Nice. It's in office hours. Writing expressions. Okay, cool. This is what you did in math. It's called writing expressions.
Yeah.
Do you have any example questions that you did in this class?
Nope.
No?
I don't screenshots my bet.
Do you have homework coming up?
I don't know.
Yeah, you should, right? Look in your math. You got to have some homework coming up.
Actually, I'm not sure I even get homework.
Well, whenever do you have like a lesson or anything you guys do in math?
I don't know. No, I always forget. How about this? We just learn what you teach. How about that?
You did what?
How about we learn what you teach?
We learn what I teach. Okay. All right. Yeah, we can do that too. It's just I like to get an idea of like what you guys are learning because the whole goal of this source is to make like your school work like easier, right?
Let's learn what Bommy Boy's gonna get.
Well, what he's gonna no, we gotta learn math. Let's learn some math or science. He's just gonna get a processor. Bobby Boy says teach animal cells. Yeah, I could teach cells, but I don't know.
Or we could teach the streets that Bommy Boy is going. Okay, continue, Gio.
All right. Here, let's go back over order of operations because I want to make sure you know how to do that, okay? Remember I gave a question on that, and then, yeah, you needed a little bit of help, but you could get it eventually, right?
Hopefully.
Okay. Here we go. All right, so here's the question. We're going to say... oh, yeah, let me move us into... I'll move us into general so I can share my screen for you, okay?
Iggy.
There we go. Cool.
You removed the Bomby Boy. How could you?
Oh, did I? Well, he's off going to go get his processor and stuff. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna share my screen so you can see it. Everyone else can see it on the stream, but you want to be able to see it's not delayed. Okay,
Why
cool.
is stream doing people?
Well, because this is an interesting thing. So whenever computers like record like what's happening here on my screen, it needs to compress that into a type of data that can be sent over the internet pretty quickly. And then when it gets to Twitch has to uncompress it and then put it up on their website. And the amount of time that takes to happen, there's always like a little bit of a delay.
Gio, I got a question though.
What's up?
Why is a lot a 2-word but not a 1-word?
Why is what a 2-word, not a 1-word?
A lot.
Oh, why is a lot 2 words and not a 1-word?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a good question. I don't think a lot is ever 1 word, right?
I don't know.
A lot means just like a lot, like what is a what is a lot? Like a lot of things is a lot of things. Yeah. PEMDAS. Oh yeah, Bomby Boy saying, all right, go learn PEMDAS. Yeah. Let's see if you remember PEMDAS. We did this last Wednesday actually. So I want to see if you remember it. Okay.
Well, let's think.
All right. So here we're gonna say simplify the following expression.
Yeah, simplify
operations. Well, yeah, that's what PEMDAS is all about. Or here. So here's a good thing. Let's remember. What is PEMDAS again? Do you remember this? Parentheses. Good.
Yeah. The E is the square. What were things called?
Exponentials.
Yeah. M is multiply.
Good.
D is
multiply.
Division. A is add. S is subtraction.
Good. Adding, subtracting. Nice.
Question though. Isn't the 2? If there's a 2 above a number, right? Isn't that just square?
Yes. Yeah. So that's what we call like an exponent, for instance. So if you had like 2 to the 2 like this is the same thing as saying 2 squared.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. Well, here's some good ones actually here. So let's learn a little bit. What happens when I say like 2 to the 3rd? What's that called?
Rectangle.
No. All right. So let's remember. 2 to the 2, right? That's equal to 2 squared, right?
3 squares.
No. This is it's 2 doing something, right? You have 2 and 2 is doing something.
2 and 3.
2 to the 3 is a way to say it, right? But another way to say this so actually here's a good thing. Here, this is where this comes from. How many different how many dimensions is something like this? How many dimensions?
What's a dimension again?
So, okay. All right. Like things are in 2D or 3D?
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a square is what we call something in 2D, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
What if
that's 2D. Yeah.
that's 2D? Yeah, good, good,
It
good.
is 3D.
That is 3D. Yeah, and so what type of shape here is in 3D? What is this called?
A cube.
Cube. Good, 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 good. So 2 to the 2 is what we call 2 squared. What do you think 2 to the 3 would be?
A square. No, wait. A
No.
cube.
A cube. Yeah, yeah.
3 to the cube.
No, it's 2.
Oh, it's 2.
2 cubed. What would, for instance, 5 to the third be?
No idea.
Well, okay.
Rectangle.
No. What's 5 squared? Sorry, what's 5? I gave you the answer. What's 5 to the 2?
You just said 5 square.
5 squared, right? Yeah, okay. So how would you say 5 to the third?
5 cube.
There you go. Very good, very good. Oh, yo. Shout out to 20th Street Cleaners, Mycicle 21, platinum sponsor of the Actual Education stream.
Or if we get attendance, I'll be saying this sometimes too.
Yeah?
Not here.
Yeah, here. Okay. All right, good. So yeah, that's what exponents are, right? Yeah, Michael, dude, you're always a sponsor, dude. Okay, let's try to do some like simple order of operations here. Okay, try and figure something out. How would I do this one, Sor? What would I do first?
Oh. Square.
Do the square
So
first, right?
3
Yeah?
times 2.
No. No.
6.
No.
What?
No. This
No,
is
it's like
that's
that.
not 3 times 2. What is that?
What was that?
That's what happens if you get one wrong.
3 times 3.
No.
I don't see any pandas.
You don't see what?
Pandas.
No, there's no parentheses. Yeah, you're right. We need to do this exponent, but we need to know what 3 to the 2 is.
3, 6.
No. What does this exponent mean?
Times it.
It means you times it by itself twice. So this is 3 times 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm over here saying 3 times 2.
Yeah, not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. The 2 just tells you that it needs to multiply by itself 2 times.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's 9.
Okay, that's equal to 9. Very good, very good. All right, so here's another one, Sor. What's 4 to the third? What would that be? How would I write that?
4 times 4, 16. Then times that by 4 is 84.
Close. Good. The 16, you're right.
Uh-huh.
4 times 16. This one may be a little bit harder to do. Here's how I like to think about it. What's 4 times 10?
40.
Okay. What's 4 times 6?
Wait, I forgot.
Yeah.
28.
No.
Oh, 24.
24.
I mean.
Good. Yes. This is 24. Okay. What happens when you add 40 and 24?
64.
64. Good.
Oh,
good.
he cutting me up over by 20.
Yeah, you're close. 64. Yeah. This is how like I tend to do like multiplication in my head. I'll do 4 times 10 plus 4 times 6 because 10 and 6 add up to 16. And then so all you have to do is do the multiplying things and add them up to get to 64.
Yucky.
I know that's a little bit of that's a trick you'll eventually like kind of get to. It's all right. I like 16 times 2 times 2 again. Oh, that's an interesting way. Oh, okay. Michael has a unique way, yeah. So he does, instead of saying times 4 here, Sora, for instance, he does 16 times, and then you know that 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So that's the same as 2 times 16, which is 32, times 2, which is then going to get you 64. That's one way to do it.
Oh, at least that one I could probably do in my head.
Yeah. Whatever way like works the best in your head, do that. Okay, good. So we got that the 3 squared is 9. Okay, great. So then what we do, Sora, is we always write down like what we have after we've done our steps. We have 12 minus 4 times 3 plus 9. And now you're going to do the next step.
Multiply.
Good. You're going to do the multiply. Good.
Which is 4 times 3.
Good. Which is what?
12.
12. Very good. So now you have 12
Now,
minus 12 plus 9. Okay.
now we divide. There's no divide, so we add 12 plus 9, 21.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And then we subtract.
Oh, this is actually
like 12 plus
interesting.
9.
Yeah, it's actually interesting. You're actually supposed to do this.
Huh.
You're supposed to do this left to right. I know. This
Left to right?
yeah. When you get to stuff that's just this is actually interesting. Why they actually call it PEMDAS? These are actually grouped, is what these technically are.
That's mine.
I know. Yeah. Think of these as like a family of things that you do. Okay. Usually when you have stuff where you have adding and subtracting like this, you want to go left to right.
But isn't it always right to left?
No. You always do math left to right.
So 12 plus 12.
No, so you're going to do 12 minus 12.
But isn't that at the bottom?
Yeah, I know, because you're seeing the subtracting. Yeah. This is where they teach this wrong, actually, now that I think about this. Because 12 minus 12 is going to get you what?
0.
0. And then 0 plus 9 is going to get you what?
9.
9. Good. Look what happens if you were to add first, okay?
21.
Oh, I see. No, Michael's right. I'm fucking up here.
Huh.
This is what you're supposed to do. Okay.
I'm confused.
Yeah, I know. I'm confused too, but here, I'll show you where I got confused. This minus 12 is the same thing as saying 12 plus negative 12 plus 9. Do you see that?
But isn't it 12 plus negative 12, so it's going to end up being 0?
It will be. Yeah. But the key thing, yeah. This will end up being 0, and then plus 9 will just be equal to 9. You could have also done this part first, where negative 12 plus 9 would have gotten you negative 3, and then you have 12 minus 3 is equal to 9.
Oh, didn't you say we gotta do it in order, though?
Yeah, we do. We do. We gotta do it in order, but let's have these be like the groups, for instance, okay? So let's call these here. One sec. Let me put these in like a group. Because within the group, you technically want to go left to right. So this is multiply, divide.
But didn't it, when we learned this last time, you went adding and then subtraction?
I did. But all the times I did that, I had adding before subtracting. Which, in terms of left-right, is what I had. Like, for instance, I had like this. I had like 12 plus 12, and then I had like minus 9. So adding, subtracting made sense because you were also going left to right. Yeah. I know. That's interesting. I didn't realize that gets taught wrong so many times.
How did you miss it?
Well,
Gio?
you know what? That's why, that's why we're always learning. We're all always learning, life is a journey of just constantly remembering things and learning things. It's like life is like you have a battle pass, but the battle pass, changes every season. There's always a new gun you can unlock, right?
I'm a bird.
You're a bird?
Yeah.
What do you mean you're a bird, Sor?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, you watch Demon Slayer?
Which one?
Demon Slayer.
I don't watch Demon Slayer, no. Is it anime?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on Netflix, the whole show.
Okay.
Only one season. Movie came out last Saturday. 2 Saturdays ago.
Uh-huh.
Oh, continue the lesson.
Yeah, Michael says it's a reference to the Notebook. Demon. I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's try this. Let's say we have 3 times 4 plus 6 minus 6 or minus 7.
you're confusing me now. How
Uh,
could you? It's too
uh,
much pluses. How
I
could you
know.
do?
Yeah. Okay. What do we do first?
Panda.
Parentheses.
Yeah.
Parentheses. Good. Where are the parentheses?
4 plus 6. We did that one.
Yeah, we're gonna do
And
all
then
the
we
stuff within the
minus
parentheses
7.
first. Yeah, good. So within the parentheses, so like once we go into the parentheses, now we got to look at the order of operations within the parentheses. Okay.
10 minus 7 equals 3.
Good. So what are you
Like
gonna
that?
write?
Is that the answer?
Well, so you're
4
gonna
plus
write.
6.
Yeah.
3.
You're gonna write it
4
like this.
plus 8.
See how I just took everything in here and I just wrote it as a 3?
Too many 3s now. How could you?
Yeah, I know, a lot of 3s. Okay, what do we do next?
Now, 4 times 4 is 8.
Good. You're
No.
good. Very good.
Wait,
You
no,
go-
4 times 4 is
no,
not
not 8. 8. No, but you
16.
do the 4. Yeah. It's 16. It's 4 squared. It's 4 times 4.
Yeah.
So you get 3 times 3 divided by 3 plus 16. Very good. Okay, what do we do next?
3 times 3. 3 times 3.
Good. So then we have 9 divided by 3 plus 16. What do we get next?
I'm confused. Do we add or subtract? I'm confused.
Do we add or subtract? Well, there's no subtracting here. Where do you see the subtracting?
Oh, it's adding then. So that's 3 plus 16.
No. What's this?
Oh, divide.
Divide. See, you gotta remember to do the divide first.
3, 9.
Good. What's
It's
9?
3.
Good. It's 3.
And then the answer is 19.
Good. Very good. Very good, sir. Nice. 19. Good.
So I didn't forget it.
Ah, well, let's see.
Kind of.
Let's see. We're gonna get a little bit harder. Okay.
Oh, no.
He's like, oh no, we're getting a little bit harder. Oh no. Let's do 6 minus.
I'll get to it. We just told me. Why? Why?
Why, he says. Why? Why would you do this to me? Let me see. Yeah, there we go. That's a good one. Let's try and do this one. Hashtag. You just put a hashtag in there.
Wait. Yeah. Is this a affiliate yet?
Michael says the answer is 42.
Oh, thanks, Michael.
It's always 42. Do you know where that comes from, actually, Sor? Do you know where the answer is 42?
Nope.
Have you ever seen? It's a movie, and well, it's primarily a book, but there was a movie that got made out of it. It's called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's a pretty funny book, and they made a pretty good movie
Is
out of it.
it an old movie?
It is. Well, I mean, old probably by that's the problem. I'm getting old, so now it's an old movie. It was not an old movie when I watched it.
When did you watch it?
I think I probably watched it when I was in like high school. So
That's too old.
yeah, see, that's too old. Oh man, am I too old now? Fuck.
That's probably like 5, 6, 7 years ago.
No. Okay, all right. Let's try to do this. Let's try and do this one, Sor. What do we do first?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Very good.
Can we change that word?
Parentheses? No, we can't change the word. It's got to be parentheses.
Can we make a new word?
I don't think we can make a new word. No, it's
Okay, so 2 squared plus 6 divided by 2.
good.
Oh, I
Yeah,
don't
so
like you.
yeah, I know. You're like, yeah. So we got to look at this first, and now we got to redo order of operations. Okay. So within this, just looking at this, like, don't even look at anything else. What do I do first in the order of operations?
2 times 2.
What are you gonna do?
2 times 2.
Good. 2 times 2. Very good. So now, so
Equals
yeah. So what's that?
4.
Good. So here we're gonna rewrite what we have so far. I always want you to do this, Sor, and like eventually when you get good enough at doing it in your head, you can kind of skip these steps. But for now, I want you to always do these steps. Okay, what's the next thing we do? We're still looking, right? We're still looking within this parentheses.
4 plus 6.
No.
Oh, so 6 divided by 2 then.
Why is it the 6 divided by 2?
Dividing comes first.
Good. Because you see how dividing comes before adding?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so
3.
3. Good. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down what I have so far.
Why is there so much 3s, Gio? Why?
Because it's cheese.
Hey. Oh, now it's 7. What the heck?
Good. Very good. Yeah, that's 7. Good. So now you have 6 minus 3, 7 plus 9. Okay, now what do we do?
3 times 7.
Very good.
21.
Okay, now what do we do?
Add.
No.
30.
No. Remember, okay.
Oh.
So now let's look at what we have left, right? We have adding, you're right, and we have subtracting. But both of these are part of the same like family of operations.
No. So 6 minus.
Good.
So 6 minus. 6 minus 21.
Yeah, what's 6 minus 21?
21.
Here's a trick, Sor. If you
14.
ever no, it's not 14. So here's a trick,
Oh,
Sor.
it's 15 then.
It's not just 15. What is it?
Oh.
Is it positive or negative?
What do you mean?
6 minus 21.
Oh, it's negative.
Yeah,
negative.
this is negative 15. Here's the trick. If you ever have like 3 minus like a big number, let's say like 24 or something, and you don't want to try to like count backwards, right? Because that kind of sucks. One way to do this is just flip them, do 24 minus 3, which is 21, and then make it negative.
Yucky.
You see how that's a trick?
So now it's negative 15 plus 9.
Good. Plus 9. Good.
Okay, 9 plus 15 is 24.
No.
Oh,
It's negative 15
Negative?
plus 9.
negative 15. 14.
So here's another way. If you ever have like
I got 6.
Oh, you use the
Negative
calculator?
6.
It's negative 6. It's negative
No,
6.
I got my fingers.
You got your
count
fingers.
backwards.
Oh, okay. Well, here's a trick, Sor. If you ever have negative 15 plus 9, you can move these around. So you can write this as 9 minus 15. What was the trick I said before? If you have a small number dividing minus subtracting a bigger number, what's a trick you can do
I
with that?
tried that. It didn't really work for me.
Well, okay. So here, let's do the trick. See, I have 9 minus 15. Small number minus a bigger number. Let's say we flip it. What's 15 minus 9?
6.
6.
Like,
And then you just make it negative. So this is just
still the
negative
same
6.
thing.
Yeah.
I was just doing the second one on my fingers.
Well, okay, but let's say I give you something you can't really do on your fingers because you're not like, I don't know, someone who has radioactive damage to your genome. Let's say I gave you 3 minus 64. How would you get that?
I don't like you. Oh, it's 3 minus 64.
What's 3
It's
minus
negative 61.
Good, negative 61. Good. How did you do that?
3 minus 4.
3 minus 4. Well, well, that's an interesting way to do that. Okay. Well,
Since there's no tens, I just did that.
okay. What if I had this? What if I had 7 minus 72? What would that be?
Oh, no, I don't like you. Could you?
Yeah.
Okay, 7 plus 2 is 5. Yay, there we go.
What is it?
And 5.
It's not 5. No.
What do you mean?
Let's think.
Okay, 7. Oh, I'm out.
Let's do the trick here. So when we have a small number subtracting a big number, what do?
I don't like subtracting, man.
I know, but see, here's how you can make it easy. What was the trick I showed you? What do we do when we got
Flip the.
Flip it. So you got 72 minus 7. What's 72 minus 7?
Wait. Can you put 72 like on top and then like below but minus 7?
Oh, like this?
I prefer that.
Okay, you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that?
Yeah. Negative 64
No.
or 64.
No, not 4.
Oh,
Yeah, remember
not
6,
4.
right? 12.
it says 6. I said 64.
No, it's negative 65.
Well, I was one off.
Yeah, no, but you gotta be right. You can't be just one off, right?
Well, I prefer subtracting like that. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, you know. So this is 65, and then you just make it negative 65. Okay.
Yeah. Prefer subtracting like that. Okay.
Okay. Whatever way works for you, Sora. There's no wrong way to do math, honestly, as long as you're able to do it like correctly, you know. Okay, let's see. How about we do? Let's see. We had some of the. Have you done any algebra yet, Sora?
I don't know. I have no idea.
We're gonna teach you a little bit of algebra, okay? Just like so you get like an an introduction to it, okay? So algebra uses what we call variables. Do you know what a variable is?
Nope, but if I pronounce it, I'm gonna hate that word.
Okay, variable. A variable, okay, is sort of like a letter, okay?
A ladder.
It's a letter, right? So this can
Okay.
be, for instance, a lot of times.
We're calling it variable. We're calling it V.
Well, variable. Okay, so here's how you know the word. What about the variable zoom scope? You know. Wait, Michael says, "What did the acorn say when he grew up?" I don't know. What did he say? What did he say, Michael? Michael's saying some jokes in the chat.
Wait, can we say that? Can we do some Yo Mama jokes?
Some Yo Mama jokes. No.
Yeah.
No. I don't want to be like that one kid. What was that? What that kid that was playing with us?
God. I
Yeah.
believe that was him, Tyler.
Yeah.
I think.
Kid's...
Yo Mama joke.
Geometry. Oh man.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Michael got the good one. It's like what did the acorn say? What did the acorn say when he grew up? Geometry. You know that stands like You've heard of geometry, right, Sor?
Yeah.
So he's like, "Gee, I'm a tree."
Okay, let's see if Michael does it.
Okay.
I had to. One person had to.
All right. We'll see if he does a joke. All right, Sor.
Yeah.
Variables. Variables are letters. What are some letters that you know?
A, B, C,
Good.
D.
A, B, C, whatever.
Basically the alphabet.
No, you don't have to say the whole alphabet. A lot of times,
C, D, U, D, E, sure.
a letter that gets used is X for a variable. Okay, they just like X.
Wait. I get confused. S and X.
Oh, S and X are very different. This is S. This is X.
No.
Yeah.
They sound like.
Oh, you mean they sound the same to you?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, interesting. Yeah.
Tell me if Michael's doing your mama joke in chat, okay?
I'll tell you if he does. Okay. So the reason why we always kind of use the variable X is kind of like the unknown, right? You know, like the X
Basically,
factor.
not known.
Yeah.
The X is trying to find him. Basically, the new kid trying to fence him.
Yeah, it's something that like you don't know. And it's used like a placeholder in equations to try and like solve for things. So
Or iPhone X.
Or an iPhone X, right? Well, in that case, X means 10. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say so the first thing you have to learn about algebra is, and I think this is the thing that'll probably make it the most interesting to you, is how we can take common problems and put them into what we call equations that we can solve. Okay. And so here, I'll give an example of one. Let's say we have a problem where like I have 4 bullets left in my magazine, right?
Oh, it's 4 minus.
No.
What's you?
No, let's
Usually, what gun do you have?
I like to run the grow. I run the grow.
Okay, so yeah, 24 bullets missing.
Well, yeah. So here
If you stick with a stock, though.
So here's a good one. Let's say I have 4 bullets left. If my magazine started with 50, how many bullets
50 minus
did I use?
4.
Good. It is 50. It is 50 minus 4. But let's try to write this as like an algebraic equation.
How the heck you missed 646
Dude,
bullets? You
no,
couldn't
maybe,
have wiped a
yeah,
person?
maybe I just team
Damn.
wiped, dude. Maybe I team wiped, bro. I probably team wiped.
I mean, like,
Okay.
you'll probably be able to kill 3, but not 1.
So
I don't know what I just said.
So Sora, the first thing in when writing like an algebra equation like this is to you have to like pick out what is the variable, like what is the thing you're trying to figure out. So out of this whole
But try to figure out how many bullets did you just waste.
good, very good, dude, very good. Yes, this right. How many bullets did I waste? Okay, or use. So we're gonna call that the
Imagine
variable, which is x. Okay.
Yucky.
All right. So now let's try to write this as like an algebra equation. Okay.
Oh,
So
no.
So I have 4 bullets left, right? So let's say the 4 bullets I have plus the amount of bullets that I used has to equal what?
50.
50.
Or 60.
Or 50. No, I used the 50 round mag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How
Good.
many boys over there using 60?
Yeah, I know. That's because he misses a lot.
Trying to say something.
Oh, shit. It's okay, dude. He's not. He's got an interesting recoil. Not as interesting of a recoil pattern as Al Prince has.
Oh yeah, I'm using 30, man. Yeah, I don't need no extra 20.
Oh, here. Mike Mycicle said has a Joe Mama joke for you, so you can listen to it.
Oh yeah, I want to see. Damn, she's that fat.
And bears hid their food. It's a funny
I
one.
got one too, Jill. Your mom was so lazy. She
Yeah.
made it to heaven, but she didn't want to climb the step, go on the steps, so she went to hell.
Damn. That's kind of rough, dude. That's a savage one. All right. Sore.
Hey, it was a lazy joke.
It was a lazy joke. I like that. Okay. Sore. So we have this equation right here, right?
Huh?
What are we trying to figure out? What was the thing we were trying to figure out again?
How many bullets did you waste that you couldn't fit in someone's head?
Exactly, dude. Okay, yeah. And what variable was that?
X.
X. Very good. This one, right? Okay, cool. So it turns out in algebra, the goal of algebra is always to get whatever the thing you're looking for on one side of this equal sign and get everything else on the other side. Okay?
I don't understand what you said.
Okay. All right. So here's like the goal. You know, like we all have like goals, right?
Yeah.
You know, like you have a goal to finish the battle pass in the next week or something. You know, maybe you will.
Man, I could. I'm up to 70.
But in algebra, the goal is to get the variable on one side and get everything else, all the other numbers, on the other side. Okay?
So basically, X just swap. X and 4 need to swap.
Well,
places.
we need to take this 4,
Right.
right? And we need to put it over here somehow, right?
Oh, man, kick him out. He has to pay his rent yet.
Cool. You haven't paid his rent. Let's kick him out. He's like, let's get out. All right? Yeah. So there are some. I wish I had goals, Michael, you do have goals, dude. The goal is the Aventador.
What?
Okay, so here are like the rules of what you can do to try and move things around. Okay, this is like a puzzle, Sora. Okay. So here are the rules.
I don't like puzzles, but okay.
You do like puzzles. Okay. Rules.
Man, there's one time I did a 500 puzzle. Damn, I ended up missing one piece. Okay, continue.
Okay, so the rule is whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side
To
of the
the
equal sign.
other.
Good. Okay. So let's think. What
Sure,
what
straight.
what could we do to this side of the equal sign to get rid of the 4?
Four minus 4. Yeah.
Good. So we could subtract 4 from this side, right? And subtract 4 from this side. Okay. Okay.
Okay. 0.
Good.
And then
0, right? So
46.
0 plus x. Good. Equals
A.
a.
Why is 0 still there?
Well, good. We don't really need the 0 because 0 is just 0, right? So you just get
Okay,
what do you
mission
get?
done.
X equals, yeah, good. 46. See?
Okay.
Good. So that's how many bullets we used, right? Okay. Let's try.
Yeah,
Let's
get
try.
your shots, kids.
Yeah. Let's try something a little bit harder. Okay.
Oh no.
Let's say that here we go.
Question. Where was Owl all day? Where is Owl?
I don't know where he's been actually. He's probably been at work or something. I'm gonna see him later tonight.
Are we gonna play some matches though after class with Bond?
Let's see if he gets back. I think he's still at the store. Maybe when he gets back, I'll play. I'll play him. Yeah. Okay. Let's say
Yeah.
Bommy Boy has been looting.
You forgot the one.
You're right. I can't remember. Bomby Boy 1 has been looting all the
Loot
boxes.
stealer.
He's a loot stealer. He's a loot stealer, dude. Loot stealer.
This is A-Rod's favorite way to play a Bomby Boy. He took my crate.
He took my crate, dude. Okay.
Right over there. Wow, what a loot stealer, man.
Loot stealer.
Wow.
So let's say that Bomby Boy 1 has been looting all the boxes and has let's say it has 3 times as many plates as I do.
3 times? Goddamn, how many plates can you hold?
Right. If Bomby Boy
Damn.
1 has 6 plates, how many plates do I have?
Oh, you got 2.
Good. All right. So, but let's. I know that's easy for you to just do in your head, but I want to show you the steps of how this works in algebra. So then you. Well, yeah.
Okay.
It's so that you can then see, like, how this works as an equation.
Okay. Now we do 3 plus x.
No, it's not 3
6,
plus x.
Right?
No.
Oh. X.
So
Dude,
first of all, we got to determine what's the variable that we're looking for. What variable are you looking for here?
X. Again.
X. Good. But what part of the sentence here is going to be x?
6.
No, not x. I mean, in this.
No,
in this,
3.
No. X means it's not a number. X means it's something we're trying to figure out. So you remember on the other one?
Oh, I show plates. See, yeah.
Good. How many plates do you have? Right. This is going to be x. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I forgot. A freaking word's gonna be x.
Yeah. Well, that's what it is. Numbers are really never x. It's always the words. Okay. So you have x plates. Okay. Bomby Boy has 6 plates, right?
Yeah.
But he has 3 times as many plates as we do. So how am I gonna use this 3 and this 6 to kind of relate the two?
Okay. 3 this time, so we multiply, right?
Good. 3 times x. So we're just gonna say 3x, okay? Is equal to 6. See?
Now we need to divide here.
Right.
6
Good.
divided by 3.
Good. Yes. So you want to get the x by itself. So here's the trick. Whenever things are multiplying by each other, the trick to getting the numbers off is to divide them, right? Good. So you're going to divide this by 3.
Oh, that's right.
Good. Yeah, divide this by 3. You're going to divide both sides by 3. Okay?
3.
So this is going to cancel. 3x divided by 3 is just going to be x.
So, and then 2. X2.
Good. So you have 2 plates. Yeah. Very good. Okay, nice.
Dude, when you post this as the question, I'm just gonna write a big answer.
What are you gonna write a big answer?
Yeah, I'm just gonna write the answer for show your work.
Yes, yeah, please. Oh, we still have the extra credit question from last week.
That looks hard.
No, just
It looks hard.
watch the video. It's not too hard. Or at least try it. So if you try it, I'll always help you. You know, if you can at least start going through it. I'll help you so you can get an extra coin.
Can't Bomby Boy do it too though? For free battle pass?
Yeah, he doesn't need a free battle pass. He's part of the educators.
How come Owl's not a mod though?
I think he's a TA technically, which is a mod. I don't know. Bomby Boy set up the whole mods and stuff.
Hey, Jill, man.
What's up?
You gotta make me a student mod, man.
Yeah. Well, hey, when if we expand out, yes, I will definitely have student mods. You know, because you're good at like policing other people. You know when people are being like rude and whatnot. You know.
I am.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Well, you knew today, right? With that one kid we were playing with, we were just like, oh, this kid sucks. You know, like he needs to be quiet. All right, so here's the last question we're gonna do. Okay. Okay, here we go. DM2 has 20 more than 2 times boy one's wins. Resurgence. If DM2...
Okay, my bad. What you said?
Okay, so here's the question. It says, DM2 has 20 more than 2 times Bonnie Boy 1's wins in Resurgence. If
it should be about to be 3 times.
Is it going to be... All right, well, let's make it 3. We can make it 3.
And that's good.
Now let's make it 3.
Okay.
If DM2 has 120 wins...
Okay.
How many wins?
That's X right there. The things you're typing. That's
Good,
X right
good,
there.
good. You're
How many
recognizing
wins
it.
does Bombi Boy have? That's X.
Yes, good. It's not always going to be at the end, but in this case it is.
Well,
You're right. All right.
Okay.
So this right here, this is going to be X. Okay. All right, what are some other things we know?
DM2 has 20 more than 3 times than Bombi Boy's wins in Resurgence.
Good. So how are we going to say 20 more than 3 times Bonnie Boys wins?
20 times
Good.
3.
Not 20 times 3. It's 20 more than 3 times Bonnie Boys wins.
Divide.
Okay. What does times usually mean?
Multiplication.
Good. So this is going to be 3.
Oh, I said that, man.
No, you said divide.
Oh. I thought I said 20 multiplied by 3.
No, not multiply by 3. No, because we're not doing these. Look. It's 20 more. What does more usually mean?
Add.
So this is 20 plus. 20 more, 20 plus 3
so
times.
20 plus 3 times 120?
No. What's Bomby Boys wins?
Oh.
See how it's 3 times Bomby Boys wins?
Yeah.
What number is Bomby Boys wins? Or what variable is that?
That's X.
Good.
Two.
Very good. So
Wait,
it's
it's
20
two X's
plus.
now?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
No. And then what does this have to equal? DM2's wins.
120.
Good. Very good.
If.
If.
Man, he's in the 150s now.
Is
I
he?
have to pick that.
Oh man, DM2's being
Yeah.
he's being sweaty. He's being a sweaty player.
He is the soldier player. I mean, I'm close to 110. Need 6 more, I think.
Okay, good. It's 20 plus 3 times equals 120, okay? All right, we're trying to get this X by itself, okay? So, what's the first thing we want to do to try and get this X by itself? You try and guess.
A 20? No.
Yeah, we don't like this 20. So how are we going to get rid of this 20?
20 something minus 3.
No. How do we
20.
how do we get rid of a number that's just adding on one side of the equation?
Oh, just subtract that by a 20.
Good. Very good. You're going to subtract 20.
It's 0.
Good.
That's 100.
Good. So now you have 3x equals 100. Okay? Now what do you do?
Now we do 3 minus 3.
No. You don't do minus 3. This won't do anything.
Oh.
This is, look how,
Okay.
what is, you want to get the x by itself, right? But it has a 3 that's multiplying by it. So how do I get rid of something that's multiplying by the x?
Divide.
Good. Very good. You divide this by
3 divided by 3 is 0.
No. What's 3 divided by 3?
Huh?
What is 3 divided by 3?
Oh, it's 1.
It's 1. Good. Right, so this is technically 1x, which is just x. You know, having a 1 in front of something is the same thing as just saying the variable what it is, okay? So then...
It's 35.
No.
Right?
This is actually technically, this is 33.33333.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right, you're good, sorry. You got the right answer.
Okay.
Nice.
What's up with so many 3s? What's up with you in 3 today?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking about the Resurgence trios we're gonna play later. You know?
If Bobby Boys make it in time, let's see.
Right.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay,
Hey,
cool.
Gio, man, do you think lunch games are coming back?
They are, dude. I played some lunch games today, dude. They're coming back. Don't worry.
No, like officially coming back like every day.
Yeah, I think Bombing Boys. We want to have more.
Well, he said he's planning to.
Yeah, I think we're definitely planning to. We know we've been missing playing with you guys, and it's a good way to get people involved with what we're trying to do. So
The
we're gonna,
bad part, Melo's grounded for a whole month.
well, maybe we
Rip.
can do something so he'll be ungrounded. You know.
Prevent his parents somehow.
Wow, yeah, maybe if he does well on his math test or something, you know, we can get him to work on it. All right, nice.
Okay, continue.
Well, that's it. Good. Thanks everyone for hanging out on the stream. We'll see you on Friday at
Let's see,
3
it's Bobby
o'clock.
Boys back.
Friday at 3 o'clock, and then yeah, let's we'll see you then.